So I promised you guys an update yesterday, and yeah, here I come with the update. So I've been able to post over 50 plus on X, although I kind of like had a delay on them. For like I did 1 minute delay, then I did 3 minutes delay, then I did 5 minutes delay, right? So it's on the 5 minutes delay now, and let me just show you what the system is doing, right? So, look at this. The goal is all 100 tweets to my account. We've done 30. So we're prepping 41 to 50, right? I'm gonna add the screenshot of the tweets, maybe on the screen, somewhere on the screen, just because I'm recording with the phone, right? Oh no, I can actually show you guys. I'm just gonna go to my Twitter with my other account, right? Show you guys. So I might actually maybe in a way discontinue this type of content just because it's not strategic, and I'm a content strategist, but then I don't follow strategy that I built for others, right? And I think I'm about to log in on strategy and start cooking for real, right? Just so everybody that jumps on my page, when they go into my other videos, they get to see similar thing that drew them to the channel, right? So yeah, okay, perfect. I just logged in. Let me show you. Now this was 25 minutes ago. You can see from here I have 72 posts, right? I'm gonna refresh this. So it's not gonna post again until after 5 minutes. As you can see, this went up 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes, 15, 20, right? And so on and so forth. 26. You see all these posts, you see? Like I'm even getting engagements. Impression 6, right? So all of this was posted by AI. You can see all of this like 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. So, and even the images, right? Even the pictures, it was generated by this bad boy, and attached and posted, right? So I can maybe show you guys the cost so far. So here is my X cost. As you can see, I kind of like have $5 in the account, and this is 4.47. That means just $13 was used for all of the posts you see here, right? So it's quite cheap, right? I also try to mix images. Let me just hold it so we see how the next post pops up. Let's look at it. All right, let's look at it together. Let's see. So yeah, like why you guys look at it, I'm gonna say if you maybe enjoy this kind of content, you can let me know. I can be dropping this on a different channel just because it's just super easy for me to make. And yeah, it's me, right? It's the real me, like, and it's super easy. And I just posted on here. I know you did. So if you like seeing me this way, you can let me know in the comments. I would create a different channel for it and just dump it there. But then I want to like take this channel more seriously, and I've really built a strategy around how I'm gonna go forward with it. And yeah, but pretty much if you like this, you're gonna like the next one just because it's also gonna be like this, but maybe not more of my face, but it's gonna be me sharing my screen most of the time, right? So yeah, You can say it. I know we've not yet grown so big. So, but yeah, I value my 17 subscribers. Thank you guys. Yeah. I'm gonna refresh this one more time, and that should do it. So we have this post is up. This was the previous one. You can see we have 73 posts now. And it says stop treating every post as a project, treat a format as fixed and only swap the subject. The format does the heavy lifting, right? So yeah, you can sort of this. You can build something like this for you, your voice, the exact. What you just need to do is let me know in the comments for free, bro. I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah. But yeah, that's it, and see you guys in the next one. Deuces.